Is your Messenger app giving you trouble? Well, if you update your Messenger app to the latest version, most of its problems will be solved on the spot. So, in today's video, I'll show you how you can update the Messenger app on your Android phone step by step. Let's start. First, open the Google Play Store app on your device. Go to the search panel. Then type Messenger and search for it. If an update is available, you'll see an update button next to the app. Tap Update to download and install the latest version. If the button says Open, it means you already have the latest version of the app. So, there isn't anything left for you to do. And that's how easy it is to update your Messenger app on Android phones. Make sure to check for updates like this one once in a while to keep your Messenger up to date. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, you can subscribe to this channel for more easy tips just like this. Thanks for watching.